Hello, my name is Arnita, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up ReCAPTCHA on your website. CAPTCHA, or Completely Automated Public Learning Test to tell computers and humans apart, is a technique to distinguish between humans and computers. CAPTCHA is mainly used as a security check to ensure only humans users can pass through. Generally, computers and bots are not capable of solving a CAPTCHA, so basically, it helps your website to clear out from spam and other unwanted presence. So how does it work with Yclas? Now, our 2.320 version and those that come after have made it seemingly easy to integrate this service. With the code already built into the software, all of our users have to do is get a reCAPTCHA site and a reCAPTCHA secret key. Now, there is a link attached which you can follow and get the reCAPTCHA secret key and the reCAPTCHA site key really easily. You just need to follow the instructions, or you can just type in Google reCAPTCHA site, and then you have to register real quick. You have to register your website and domain, and you have to follow the few simple steps. Now, as I already mentioned, you have to make sure that you're logged into your Gmail or other Google product with the email account that you want to associate these keys before getting them. There are a few simple steps to follow after. How to add reCAPTCHA to your website. You have to go to your website, log into your admin panel, then select Settings, General and reCAPTCHA. Then you have to enable the reCAPTCHA as a CAPTCHA provider option on. And then the next step is to place this website site key in the reCAPTCHA site key and the secret key in the reCAPTCHA secret key. Then all you have to do is save the changes. Now the reCAPTCHA site key and the reCAPTCHA secret key, as I already mentioned, are provided by Google reCAPTCHA. So I already registered. I registered my website, and from over here I can just simply copy my site key and copy my secret key. So from here you go to Settings, General, you go to reCAPTCHA, you enable it. Now over here you have the reCAPTCHA site key. You copy it, and then the secret key as well. Now, after saving the changes, my general configuration has been updated. And now, let's say if another user wants to publish or wants to enter my website, they will have to do a reCAPTCHA test. As you can see over here, now it's activated. Now, if you just go to the website, over here, if you go to your admin console, you can also see that you have no total requests, no suspicious requests. You can also check it from over here. So basically that's how you do it. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope it was helpful.